The benefit of face yoga method poses is not just for the body and the face. It's also for the mind and the spirit. And there's one pose I want to share, and we can do it together to lift up your mind and spirit. I call it instant pick me up because when I do this pose, I instantly feel uplifted and I love it. So let's do it together. First, relax your face and relax your body. Breathe in and out. Thumbs on top of your head and the rest of your fingers on your eyebrows. Chest open, heart open. Breathe in and out, shoulder blades down, and pull your forehead slightly with your fingers. And breathe in, chin slightly up. And breathe out, keep touching the side of your face very gently. Slide down your hands, side of your face, side of your neck, side of your chest, and the side of your body. Okay, the second set. You can do this with your eyes closed. Thumbs, top of your head, rest of your fingers on your forehead, and pull your forehead up, chin slightly up. Breathe in and breathe in. When you can't breathe in anymore, just breathe out and palms on the side of your face and say to yourself, I am beautiful. I am perfect. Everything is perfect. The third one, thumbs on top of your head, fingers on your forehead and pull your forehead up. Breathe in. My life is perfect. Everything is perfect because I am perfect. I love myself. I love my life. Breathe in and open your eyes. How do you feel? It won't take long to make you feel good. So try this pose every time you need a little bit of pickup. And you're gonna feel good. And you're gonna look good.